Okay, everyone, I'm gonna leave some room up here so we put this on TikTok as well. At David lost 108 pounds. Tomorrow is Monday, about 1 o'clock, I think, 1 o'clock, maybe 2 o'clock. I guess the best time to put it out right now. They're having problems with YouTube showing a lot of the information of when's the best time. We do have a contest. Please make sure you subscribe and join. Find that video over on YouTube at David lost 108 pounds. I'll put the link up there. But this is a quick video. This is something that's been asked of me a few times. How do I check my A1C? A lot of times we go to the doctor and we're blindsided by how high our A1C is, or maybe we're excited by how low it is. We just don't know. It's important to know that number throughout the time. Like for me, I have a doctor's appointment about every 3 months, and that's about each time I would accumulate a new A1C score. It's about 90 days. So what happens is I'll have my A1C, I then go away, come back in 3 months, I'll take my lab work, I'll meet with the doctor, she'll know my A1C at that point. But the A1C is a cumulative of our blood sugar throughout the 90-day period. So here it is. I'm going to put it on there tomorrow. They're uploading right now. First I have to upload them, and then I have to get them ready for, I don't have a manager, so please subscribe, like, share, and also comment on the video over there. Comment on all the videos. If you have a comment, please write it. If it's something dumb, you don't have to put that on there, but if it's only, hey David, I see your numbers are pretty good. How did you do this? Whatever. Great, let me know, and we can have that dialogue and maybe make a video about it if it's something that could be beneficial to everyone. But anyway, comments are very important. That's how I know what to do on a Q&A. This is a question, but it's important enough I decided to do it as a standalone, not as part of a larger Q&A, which is question and answer. So anyway, right up here, hopefully I'll be able to put the information of the YouTube channel, and this is an A1C videos are coming out tomorrow.